CK channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and for my followers, you're also welcome. Today I'll be showing you a quick video on how to make spaghetti with mince. Please watch this video as I show you the step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my recipe of how to make spaghetti with mince. Please watch this video as I show you the step. Thank you. You can also make pasta with this same recipe, which I'll be sharing with you today. If you're a vegetarian, you can still make spaghetti or pasta using this same recipe without using the beef mince. I will be using the following: spaghetti. You can also use pasta. Beef mince. You can also make this same recipe without the mince if you don't have one or if you're vegetarian. I'll be using sweet pepper, green, yellow and red, salt, chopped plum. You can also use fresh tomatoes to make the mince sauce. Onions, squash bonnets, which I'll be blending, olive oil. You can also use sunflower oil, but I prefer to use olive oil. Thyme, curry powder and Maggi cube. I'll also be using mixed veg, carrots, sweet corn and green peas, which you'll be seeing on this video. The following: if you're using fresh tomatoes to make yours, you can just chop them instead of blending them. Sometimes I chop mine if I do not want to blend, and it's still the same. That's the result of the blended plum and sweet pepper. Not too smooth, but that's how I like it. Is to get your pan ready or pot. I use a very little olive oil. Leave this to heat up a bit. Add the minced beef. Stir. I added a bit more olive oil. You can also use sunflower oil. And the reason why I don't use a lot of oil when I'm frying my beef is because once the beef is fried, it comes out with its own oil. So that's why I'm careful when making this minced beef. My gas cooker is on a very low heat because I do not want the beef to stick to the pan. I added 1 cube of Maggi. This will give the beef some taste, but this will depend on the quantity of beef you have. The beef is well fried and cooked. When it's really brown, I used curry powder and thyme. If you are the type that prefers chicken, you can also use chicken instead of beef. I added bay leaf. You need to keep stirring your beef until the beef is well cooked. As the beef is frying, you will notice the natural oil coming out from it. That's why I'm very careful not having excess oil when frying the beef. I added a bit of salt. Add the chopped onions. Stir. Fry for a minute or two. I added the carrots, green pepper and yellow pepper. I added the sweet corn and mixed vegetable. Keep stirring while it's frying. I added the blended plum, or if you're using tomatoes, you can chop them and put them in. You can also do it the other way around by adding your tomatoes before adding the mixed veg. I will be cooking the spaghetti. That's the pot with hot water inside. The minced beef with veg is still frying. I do not like the mince sauce to dry because I'll be mixing it with the cooked spaghetti later on. I added a drop of olive oil to the hot water, which I will use to cook the spaghetti, just to help the spaghetti so it doesn't stick together. Thank you once again for taking out time to watch my video today. Today's video we made spaghetti. If you're new to my channel and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.